A knock at the door, a shadow outside, and sometimes something even worse. From armed intruders to raging disasters like fire and tornadoes, these are 5 chilling moments caught on Ring Cam. Number 5. Fire evacuation. A raging fire forces a family to flee as their Ring camera captures every terrifying second. This footage comes from Santa Clarita, California, in 2019 during the Tick fire. The owner said the fire had only just begun, and within minutes it had engulfed our home.
Evacuation fire coming up! It's okay, girls! Get your dog!
Evacuations happened just minutes before the flames closed in.
It's okay.
According to Los Angeles Magazine, the fire scorched thousands of acres and forced more than 40,000 people to evacuate. Fortunately, no one was injured here, and this family's home was somehow spared. Number 4. Stranger break-in. A brazen stranger tries to break into a home in the dead of night. Here. It's the nightmare we all share. A home intruder breaking in after midnight.
Hey, what do you need?
That voice belongs to the homeowner. He thought it was one of his son's friends trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
Then the intruder stepped inside.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you? Holy Robbie!
The homeowner isn't sure how far he got into the house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo! For real.
He rushed out the front to cut him off, but the intruder was already gone.
I am not joking, dude.
I know, I see a light.
Number 3. Fake construction workers. 2 men posing as construction workers attempt to force their way inside. It's clear to see this gentleman is not a construction worker. He peeks in to check if anyone's home. He knocks once more. He looks nervous. He tries forcing the door. Notice he's wearing a glove, no fingerprints. Now that he's satisfied it's empty, he signals for his accomplice to come over. Then he radios someone for backup. And then his partner shows up. Carrying tools to force entry. Moments later, they try to force the door. But their plan is quickly foiled.
Get away from the door.
But the homeowner got a phone alert. He then confronted them via the doorbell cam and sent them running. And triggered the alarm. Number 2, fake cops with guns, armed imposters, try to talk their way into a home. Would you trust these men if they knocked on your door and claimed to be police? 2 men at the door late at night, but their intentions aren't what they claim. 3 a.m. knocks never mean anything good. They eventually break the silence, claiming to be CPD, otherwise known as the Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
They're clearly wearing masks to hide their identities. He makes another attempt and knocks again. Eventually, the homeowner responds,
"Can I help you?"
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
The homeowner sees through their act, but the intruders are completely oblivious to the situation.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Unbeknownst to them, police have already been called.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to official figures, Columbus has a crime rate well above the US average, about 1.3 times higher. In 2019, Columbus recorded 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents. They try knocking again to keep the pressure on.
CPD, open the door.
Unaware to them, the real Columbus police are already on their way. In the end, they abandon their plan and leave with nothing. And number 1, tornado. A devastating tornado rips through Kentucky with a doorbell camera bearing witness. A powerful tornado tears past this small Kentucky home. Debris flies in every direction. The sound made by the tornado gives you some idea of its awesome power. You've just seen 5 chilling moments caught on ring cam, proof that danger can strike when you least expect it. If you found this video chilling, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next mystery. Until then, stay curious and stay safe.